Reviewing Peachybbies Seafoam Spray Slime. This slime is a layered slime. One layer is icy and the other is clear. This slime has the cuttest charms Fimos ever. The texture becomes a thick icy slime and the scent is fresh and honestly smells like fresh water. This charm reminds me of sandbars where I find shells. I love the little bubbles in the slime so much. This slime was so fun to inflate and play with. The bubble pops are decent and it very fun to make slime bubbles with. Anyway, let's listen to some bubble pops. Well, that's it for today. Bye.